This one only picture, madam. If you want with the price here, the code.
Sushi Dynamite.
Yes. Sushi Dynamite. How many piece? 4 or 8?
I want to see you have the
Picture?
yeah.
This one, madam. Special and this one Dynamite.
You can give me 4 pieces or
Yeah, 4 and 8 pieces.
okay, give me 4 pieces, 4 pieces
With crab, madam.
without crab.
Okay. What else? It's okay, rice, pepper? Rice?
Yeah.
It's okay? Oh. Okay, what else, madam? Japanese noodles, but we use ramen noodles.
خلي نجيب الثاني اللي برا من الخنجر.
I want excuse me. For what?
Monster roll. This one with the tempura shrimp, avocado, tobiko, crab salad, and inside with the spicy and Japanese mayo and teriyaki sauce.
خلاص جاهز.
This one and this. Okay.
Yeah,
Porpor.
products. Yeah, four.
Okay. Japanese noodles.
Yeah.
Okay. You like drinks? Have 7-Up. We have Kinsa Cola, citrus, and lemon, and Coca-Cola Light, and bottled water. This one, dine-in takeaway. Dine-in?
Here.
Okay.
Okay.
That's it?
Only that's yes.
Not free.
At dahil may request na naman tong aking dalawang customer na without nori, buti na lang meron akong stock ng rice pepper. Kaya sabi ko kay partner, ako nang gagawa ng sushi na to. Sa next naman na may order na request na ganito na without nori, ikaw na ulit ang gagawa. Kaya nga si partner na lang muna ang pinagluto ko ng Japanese noodles. Basic lang naman kay partner yun At etong sushi naman na request nila madam, ako na muna ng nag-roll. Sa lahat yata ng Japanese restaurant, kami lang ang may Indomie noodles. Syempre, yun ang gusto ng aming may-ari or ng aming amo na si Madam. Number 1 na food kasi nila dito yun na Indomie noodles. At special shoutout yung nga pala si Chef Doy Isada. Isa rin malupit na tagagawa ng sushi yan. At si Shepherd Gardose Karomay. Shoutout sa inyo mga Master Chef. Yun lang, salamat. See you my next vlog. Alright.